Mina unfolds her stall with slow, practiced hands. Her raincoat darkens at the shoulders while she lifts flowers. Mrs. Park arrives with her rolling cart and careful steps. She studies each bucket as if every flower is a
The rain is so peaceful.
Yes, and the market is lovely. It is. These flowers are beautiful.
Everyone watches them drift over puddles and boots. The whole market seems to breathe together before returning to work.
This is lovely. Are you sure?
Of course, it's for you. It suits you perfectly.
Luis returns with an empty dolly and a slower walk. He stands under the edge of the tarp, drinking coffee from a paper cup. Mrs. Park leaves with yellow carnations balanced in her cart. The teenage helper steadies the wheel over a crack in the...
The rain grows finer in the afternoon, almost silver in the light. When Mina begins to close, the street is still full. Lights glow through the rain,